Hey everybody, in this video I want to share a quick technique that allows you to make glasses look like glasses if you're working on digital illustration. So I worked on a tribute piece because I'm a fan of Car Wizard on YouTube. I'll put a link to his channel in the description below. I'm a huge car fan and I just love his channel, so I just created some art because I was inspired by all the cool stuff that he does. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a layer above my line art, and I'm going to make a selection around that using the freeform lasso tool, keyboard shortcut L. And I'm going to hold down the shift key to add to my selection. And I'll pick a bluish value. I'll fill it in. Now we want to be able to see through that, so we want to use the multiply layer effect. And with that multiply layer effect, we can adjust the color if we want to. I'm pretty happy with the color, but I'm just going to pick a white color here to add some reflectivity. So I'll just come back in. I'll think about how light actually bounces off of these glasses. Just adding a few little areas here. You might even see some light reflected within the eyes. And that's really all you have to do. When you set that multiplier layer effect, it just makes that value penetrate the lower layers. So I always like to put this blue color above my ink layer just because it's just easier to manage. And with that multiply, it doesn't really matter. And if there's any imperfections or any areas outside of your selection, you can always come back in with the lasso tool and clean that up. So I'll just hit Command X there, and there we go. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. Super fast and super quick one this time around. As always, I welcome the feedback. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for dropping me a comment or two to let me know how I'm doing. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.